Hey, all you home gamers and market mavens, ready to take on the exciting world of day trading? Day trading, the practice of buying and selling securities within the same trading day, requires a keen eye for market movements and an understanding of the dynamics that drive stock prices. Choosing the right stocks to trade each day is critical for success. This is about being disciplined, informed, and making smart moves in the market. We're going to break down barriers, cut through the noise, and give you a clear, actionable blueprint for success. Buckle up because we're about to kick this into overdrive. We're diving into day trading, and liquidity is the name of the game. Think of it like this. You're in a sports car, ready to hit the gas. Liquidity is like having a wide-open highway with no speed limit. You can get in and out of trades with lightning speed, minimizing risk and maximizing profit. Look for stocks with high trading volume. Those are your superhighways to success. Keep your eyes peeled for stocks with tight bid-ask spreads. Hold on tight because we're tackling volatility, the roller coaster of the market. Volatility is the name of the game in day trading. It's the fuel that can propel your profits to new heights. But beware, it can also lead to gut-wrenching drops. Look for stocks with a history of big moves. Check their historical charts and see how they've reacted to news events and trends. We're diving into news and catalysts, the sparks that ignite explosive market moves. In day trading, information is king. Earnings reports, economic data, even a well-timed tweet can create golden opportunities. Stay glued to financial news, set up alerts, and be ready to pounce when opportunity knocks. Timing is everything. News can break at any moment, sending stock prices soaring or plummeting. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the market with technical analysis. It's like having a secret decoder ring for the stock market. Identify patterns and trends in historical price charts to predict future movements. Learn about support and resistance levels, key price points where a stock tends to bounce or stall. Master moving averages, trend-following indicators that help identify market direction. We're exploring market sentiment, the driving force behind massive market swings. It's the overall attitude of investors towards a stock, sector, or the market. When sentiment is bullish, prices rise as buyers jump in with enthusiasm. But when sentiment turns bearish, prices can plummet as fear takes hold. Keep an eye on market indicators like the VIX, the fear index. Get ready to seize the day with pre-market movers, the early birds of the stock market. The pre-market session is where the real action begins. Big institutional investors and hedge funds are already placing their bets, setting the stage for the day's trading action. Keep an eye on earnings announcements, news headlines, and major events that could impact the market. Use stock screeners to identify stocks with unusual volume or price movements before the market opens. Gear up with scanners and screeners, the ultimate weapons in your day trading arsenal. Time is money in day trading. Scanners and screeners are your trusty sidekicks in the quest for profitable trades. Define your criteria: volume spikes, price breakouts, or specific technical indicators. Input those parameters and you'll have a curated list of stocks ready for your trading expertise. We're covering the most crucial aspect of day trading: risk management, the guardian of your capital. Day trading involves risk, but you control that risk. Set stop-loss orders on every trade. Think of them as your safety net. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Stick to your plan, manage your risk, and you'll build a sustainable and profitable trading career. Unlock the secrets of the most powerful tool in your arsenal, your mind. It's about mastering your emotions, staying cool under pressure, and making split-second decisions with confidence. Fear and greed are the silent killers of profit. Develop a trading plan and stick to it no matter what. Keep a trading journal, track your wins and losses, and analyze your mistakes. There you have it. We've covered the essentials of a successful day trading career. Knowledge is power. The more you learn and practice, the better equipped you'll be. Embrace the challenge, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Success in day trading is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to get started with a leading broker, please check the details provided in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of inspiration and exciting updates.